turn the car around right here. As close as possible because it's a skinny street. As close as you can.
That's as close as I dare go.
No, you need to get all the turns, Lorraine. That much is enough to make a difference.
Yeah,
whether or
but
not.
then when I go, knock.
Yeah, but the thing is, you have to pay attention. You have to get as much of the turns in as possible, otherwise you will not be able to turn the car around. Especially if you're on a skinny street such as this one. So you get all the turns in. You have to know how many turns to get in there. Keep checking like crazy. Remember, if you hit, it will be your side that hits and it means you failed. So pay attention. Back up as far as you can. Make sure you have enough space out front to make it. Do you have enough space out front?
I'm gonna say yes.
Okay. Now you see like how we're sitting here and turning the wheel?
Yes.
This is called dry steering. Most people who don't really know anything, they'll say you're damaging the car. You're not damaging the car. Because if you're damaging the car, it means I'd be changing the front end of the car and also tires. I've never had to do that. And I've done over 3 million kilometers teaching driving. So it's only if you're driving an old wreck, then of course it will wreck the front end. But
and everybody that I see doing this turns as they're moving.
That's right. But you see, it increases your chances of hitting or losing control. And I've seen people doing 3-point turns, even on the test, and they hit the gas and bang into the curb. So it's better for you to stop the car, get the turns in, and then you know for sure you're going to make it. If you're moving and turning, that's how you can mess things up. So forget about people talking about dry steering and all that. It's fine. With a private car, you just do that now and then. With a driving school car, I'm doing it hundreds of times per week, and still I never had to fix or replace the front end or replace tires. So that means it's not going to damage the family car. Okay, go ahead. There's a car coming up behind you. So that's it.